The U0155 trouble code means your vehicle has lost communication with the Instrument Panel Control (IPC) module, the unit that controls your speedometer, fuel gauge, warning lights, and driver display. Modern vehicles rely on the CAN bus network to allow modules like the IPC, Body Control Module, BCM, and Engine Control Module, ECM, to constantly share data. When that communication is interrupted, gauges may stop working, warning lights may stay on, or the cluster may behave erratically. While it sounds serious, many cases are caused by wiring, fuse, or voltage issues rather than a failed instrument cluster. Important steps: 1. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm U155 and check for related communication codes like U100. 2. Inspect IPC and BCM fuses and verify none are blown. 3. Check wiring harnesses and connectors for corrosion, loose pins, or moisture damage. 4. Test voltage and ground at the IPC using a multimeter to ensure stable power supply. 5. If wiring checks out, perform a module reset or check for manufacturer software updates.